Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1 channel. Let us continue the mensuration topic. Question number 8. Half cubic meter of gold sheet is extended by hammering so as to cover an area of 1 hectare. Find the gold thickness. Volume of the sheet is given as half cubic meter. Converting this into centimeters. Now we got the volume. We should find the area of the sheet, which is equal to 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meters. This should be converted to centimeters. So 10,000 into 100 into 100 square centimeters. Now to find the thickness, we should divide the volume by area. Volume by area. So dividing this number with this value, we get 1 by 200. 1 by 200 can be written as 0.005 centimeters is the thickness. Ninth question. A hollow cylindrical tube open at both ends is made of iron 2 centimeters thick. If the internal diameter is 50 centimeters, length of the tube is 140 centimeters. Now find the volume of the iron in it. Here internal diameter is given as 50 centimeters. Now the internal radius is 50 by 2, which is equal to 25 centimeters is the internal radius. Now to find the volume of the iron in this type of questions, we use the formula. The formula is pi into height into 2 into internal radius plus thickness into thickness. Now substituting the values, pi is 22 by 7, height is given as 140 centimeters, 2 into internal radius, that is 25, plus thickness is 2 centimeters into 2. We can write this as 22 by 7 into 140 plus 2 into 25 plus 2 is 52 into 2, 7 1 7, 20 times. 104 into 440. The value is 45,760 cubic centimeters is the volume of the iron. Question number 10. This is also similar to question number 9, but in this question both internal and external diameter are given. A hollow cylindrical tube open at both ends is made of thick metal. If the internal and the external diameter are given, the volume of the metal is. Formula is pi into L into external radius square minus internal radius square. Here L is the length of the tube. Now let us see the question. The internal diameter of an iron pipe is 6 centimeters and length is 2.8 meters. If the thickness of the metal is 5 millimeters and 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 8 grams, find the weight of the pipe. The internal diameter is given as 6 centimeters. So the internal radius is 6 by 2, that is 3 centimeters. We don't know the external radius. Let us find the external radius. External radius is internal radius plus the thickness. The thickness is 0.5 centimeters. So the external radius is 3.5 centimeters. Now let us find the volume. Here use this formula. Let us substitute the value. 22 by 7 into length. Length is given in meters. Convert this into centimeters. That is 280 centimeters into external volume is 3.5 whole square minus internal volume is 3 square, which is equal to 7 1s 7 4s. So 22 into 40, that is 880 into 3.5 whole square minus 3 square. The value we get as 2860 cubic centimeters is the volume. Now let us find the weight. For 1 cubic centimeter, it is given as 8 grams. So for 2860 cubic centimeters, 2860 into 8 grams. Grams should be converted to kilograms. So 8 by 1000. The answer is 22.88 kg is the weight. 11th question. If a rectangular sheet is rolled into a cylinder so that one side becomes the height, volume of the cylinder is height into other side square by 4 pi. Let us see a question. A rectangle of 22 meters into 10 meters is rolled off to form a cylinder so that the smaller side becomes the height of the cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder so formed? Now volume of the cylinder is substituting the values in the above formula. Height is taken as the smaller side. So that smaller side is 10 into other side square. That is 22 into 22 by 4 pi. That is 10 into 22 into 22 into 7 by 4 into 22. 22 gets cancelled. 2 times, 5 times, 11 times. 55 into 7. 55 into 7 value is 385 cubic meters is the volume. 12th one. If a sphere is converted to a cylinder, then the length of the cylinder is L. That is 4 into radius of the sphere square by 3 into radius of the cylinder square. A copper sphere of diameter 18 centimeters is drawn into a wire of diameter 4 millimeter. Find the length of the wire. Here the wire is the cylinder. The formula is length of the wire is equal to 4 into sphere radius cube by 3 into cylinder radius square. Sphere radius is equal to diameter is given as 18 centimeters. So the radius becomes 9 centimeters. Converting this into millimeter, we get this as 90 millimeters. Cylinder radius is 2 millimeters is given. So the length of the wire L is equal to 4 into sphere radius, 90 into 90 into 90 by 3 into cylinder radius square, that is 2 into 2. Cancelling this, 3 ones, 3 threes. So 9 nines are 81. 81 into 3 is, we get this as 243 and these 3 zeros. Millimeters. In terms of centimeters, we can write this as 24300 centimeters. 13th question. A sphere is melted to form a cylinder whose height is 4 1/2 times its radius. What is the ratio of radii of sphere to the cylinder? This is 3/4 into n whole power 1/3. Here h is equal to, that is height is equal to n times cylindrical radius. The required ratio is, substituting the values, 3/4 into n value is 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9/2 whole power 1/3. This can be written as 9 3s are 27/8 whole power 1/3. This is 3 power 3 by 2 power 3 whole power 1/3. So the ratio is 3:2. This is the ratio of radii of sphere to the cylinder. 3 is for sphere and 2 is for cylinder. 14th question. A cone whose height is n times its radius is melted to form a sphere. Find the ratio of radius of sphere to that of the cone. The formula we use here is n/4 whole power 1/3. Here height is equal to n times the cone radius. Here if n is 1/2, take this as 1/2. Let us solve the problem. Required ratio is 1/2/4 whole power 1/3. So this can be written as 1/8 whole power 1/3. So the ratio is 1:2. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. This is the ratio of sphere to the cone radius. 15th question. A well of d meters diameter or r meters radius is dug h meters deep. If the earth taken out has been spread all over it to a width of w meters to form a circular ring or embankment, then the height of the embankment is given by r square into h by w into w plus d. Let us see question number 15. A well of 11.2 meters diameter is dug out 8 meters deep. The earth taken out has been spread all around it to a width of 7 meters to form a circular embankment. Find the height of the embankment. From the given information in the question, d is equal to 11.2 meters. So r becomes 5.6 meters. H is equal to, h is 8 meters and w is 7 meters. Let us substitute the values. 5.6 into 5.6 into 8 by w is 7 into 7 plus 11.2. This can be written as 6.4 into 5.6. The denominator is 18.2. On calculating, we get 1.97 meters. On calculating, we get 1.97 meters is the embankment width. If side of a cube is made x times, then percentage increase in the volume is x cube minus 1 into 100. Percentage increase in total surface area is x square minus 1. 16th question. Each edge of a cube is made 2 times. In percentage increase in the volume is 2 cube minus 1. That is 8 minus 1. 7 into 100 is 700 percentage is increased. Percentage increase in the total surface area, that is 2 square minus 1 into 100. 2 square is 4 minus 1, that is 3 into 100. 300 percentage is increase in the total surface area. Another model of cuboid. If length, breadth and height of a cuboid are made x, y, z times respectively, then its volume is x, y, z minus 1 into 100%. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are made 3, 4, 5 times respectively. Find the percentage increase in the volume. Substituting the values in the formula, 3 into 4 into 5 minus 1 into 100 percentage. That is 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 60 minus 1 is 59. So 59 into 100, which is equal to 5900 percentage is increased in the volume. Let us see another model. If length, breadth and height of a cuboid are increased by x%, y%, z% respectively, then its volume is increased by x plus y plus z plus xy plus yz plus zx by 100 plus xyz by 100 square. Let us see the question. If length, breadth, height of a cuboid are increased by 5%, 10% and 15%, then percentage increase in volume. Let us substitute the values in the above formula. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus xy is 50 plus yx is 5 into 15, that is 45 plus 10 into 15, that is 150 by 100 plus xyz. xyz value is 750 by 100 square. We get this as 30 plus 275 by 100 plus 750 by 100 square. 30 plus 2.75 plus 0.075. The percentage increase in the volume is 32.825%. Another model, if edge of a cube is increased by x%, then its volume is increased by, instead of cuboid, let us take the cube. So 3x plus 3x square by 100 plus x cube by 100 square. The surface area is increased by 2x plus x square by 100%. Question number 19. Each edge of a cube is increased by 50%. Then volume is increased by. Let us substitute the values in this formula. That is 3 into 50 plus 3 into 50 square by 100 plus 50 power 3 by 100 square. We get this as 3 into 50 is 150. We get this as 75 plus 12.5, which is equal to 237.5% is the percentage increase in the volume of the cube. Surface area is increased by 2 into 50 plus 50 square, that is 50 into 50 by 100. Once, 2 times, 2, 25 times, which is equal to 125% is the percentage increase in the surface area. Question number 20. A right circular cone is exactly fitted in a cube in such a way that the edges of the base of the cone are touching the edges of one of the faces of the cube and the vertex is on the opposite face of the cube. If the volume of the cube is 343 cubic centimeter, find the volume of the cone approximately. Here the formula we use is volume of the cone is equal to pi by 12 into volume of the cube. Here edge of the cube is cube root of the volume, that is cube root of 343. We get the edge of the cube as 7 centimeters. As the cone is perfectly fitted in the cube, the cone radius becomes 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeters, and the height of the cone is 7 centimeters. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into height is 7. 1 by 3 into 22 into 12.25, which is approximately 90 cubic centimeter. By applying the above formula directly, the volume of the cone is pi by 12 into the volume of the cube, that is 343. So 22 by 7 into 343 by 12. 2 6, 2 11s, 7 ones 7, 49 times. That is 49 into 11 by 6. We get this as 89.833 cubic centimeters. This can be approximately written as 90 cubic centimeters. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer One Name channel and also share with your friends.